Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to fix low quality photos on Fiverr. To do this, tap Open your application or visit the official website, that is fiverr.com. Either way, make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on the More option located on the bottom right. Now tap on Settings. Here, tap on Media. Now tap on Photo Quality. Select the excellent quality of photo that you send by just simply tapping on it. Once you do this, the quality of photos that you send will be excellent. If you are receiving low quality photos from your friends or contacts, ask the sender to check their settings and select high quality of the photo as well. You have to ask them to follow the same steps as well. And that is how you fix low quality photos on Fiverr. Sometimes images might be auto-compressed due to low storage. Remember to check your storage as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.